Hey everyone! We have got exciting news for all video editors. We have just released a new video color correction plugin called Color Match for Adobe Premiere. This plugin is designed to make color correction easier than ever using a reference image of your choice. The reference can be any picture with the colors you like or even a frame for your favorite movie. To install the plugin, head over to our website, Retouch4me. In the top menu, click on Video Plugins, then scroll down to find the Color Match category and click on it. Here, you can download the demo version to try it out, or purchase the full version. To give it a go now, select Color Match for Adobe Premiere and log into your account. Now click Download and install the plugin. Now that the plugin is installed, let's see how to use it. Open Adobe Premiere and create a new project. Import your footage. Create a sequence. And drag footage onto the timeline. Click on the clip you want to apply the plugin to and go to the Effects tab. Under Video Effects, find the Retouch4me plugins folder and drag Color Match onto your video. Now switch to the Effect Controls tab and you'll see that Color Match is ready to go. To activate the plugin, click the Activate button. In the pop-up window, log into your Retouch4me account. That's it. You're all set. To perform automatic color correction using a reference, click on the Open Reference Image button and choose an image with the colors you want. This could be any image with a color palette that inspires you. If the result needs tweaking, use the sliders for Match Smoothing, Match Luminance, and Match Color to refine the blending and match the colors more precisely. You can also fine-tune blend, temperature, and tint for even more control over your color correction. Additionally, you can use Color Match for LUT-based color correction. Just click in the LUT manager and choose any LUT you like. Most of the library is free. With Color Match from Retouch4me, professional-grade video color correction has never been easier or faster. Try the plugin now by downloading it from our website and let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.